We've always had a calculator on the iPhone, but iOS 18 brought us some cool updates that we'll be looking at in this video. We can now switch to the scientific calculator without going into landscape. We can also convert units for different items. "15 categories in total: angles, area, currency, data, etc." The calculator lists the units you can convert for each category. Let's convert 2 currencies. In our example, the top white number in pounds is the active number. That means anything we type affects that number, and the one below it simply responds. Changing the active number is simple, just tap the inactive number. Now, let's see how much $500 is in pounds. The switch icon also changes the active number. When looking for units to convert, you can search for them in the search bar above your categories. It helps you work faster when you already know the units available in the app. Just have to remember that not all units are available. The calculator now tracks your calculation history. Long pressing a calculator gives you options to copy the expression or its result to paste in other apps. You can also delete the equation, and swiping to the left has similar options for copying and deleting the calculation. To delete multiple calculations, edit, and you'll be able to select as many calculations as you want. But we're not going to delete any of the calculations because we still need them. Clear deletes all your history. Mess Notes allows you to take notes with calculations. You just have to remember to put an equal sign. If you're not getting results, check your settings under the 3 dots icon. Make sure to check the option for inserting results. You can also make your background light and Mess Notes also works with your handwriting. But that doesn't make a lot of sense on the iPhone.